Now, controversy, meanwhile, has erupted over a Muslim quota move by the Siddaramaiah government in Karnataka. The categorization of the entire Muslim community as a backward class has triggered a big political storm in Karnataka. Prime Minister Modi has attacked the Congress, accusing it of a plan to deprive OBCs and Dalits of existing reservations. Modi said the Congress is planning to take away Dalit and OBC quotas and give them to its vote bank, a reference to the Muslim community. Modi asserted that only the BJP can safeguard quota for the backward classes, which is an ironic statement given that this is precisely the issue on which the Congress is attacking the BJP. The National Commission for Backward Classes also slammed the Muslim quota in Karnataka. The Caste Commission said that Muslim quota undercuts the OBC and scheduled caste quota and deprives backwards. The Backward Caste Commission added that any religion-based quota is against social justice. The National Commission for Backward Classes said that quota in jobs and education for all Muslims is against social justice.
मुस्लिम समुदाय में जितनी भी जातियां हैं, सबको उन्होंने ओबीसी कोटा में डाल दिया और ओबीसी बना दिया। यानी जो हमारे देश के ओबीसी समाज को लाभ मिलता था, उसका बड़ा हिस्सा कट गया और वो भी वहां चला गया। यानी कांग्रेस ने सामाजिक न्याय का अपमान किया, सामाजिक न्याय की हत्या की। कांग्रेस ने भारत के सेक्युलरिज्म की हत्या की। कर्नाटका अपना यही मॉडल ये कांग्रेस पूरे देश में लागू करना चाहती है।
It's a political stand taken by National Commission of Backward Classes because it is controlled now by Mr. Modi. They are parroting what BJP wants to say. Why did they wake up after 30 years long, when the minorities, the Muslims were, with a survey, proper study done, categorized as a group which is socially backward, right? So NCBC suddenly wakes up and says, no, that's wrong. That means, and that too during the peak of the election, when the Prime Minister, with the fear that he's losing the elections, have started abusing Muslims. Instead of talking about unemployment, talking about price rise, talking about, why the poorest of the poor are getting more poor, the richest of the rich are getting more richer.